Hey everybody, so we are going to dive in to another foundation slash palette. Try it, whatever we're calling it. First thing I want to do is, let's put some, I washed my face this morning, but then I laid back down. So let's just take some cotton squares and some of my Mario Badescu aloe vera toner, and let's just get the rest of that good cut off of my face. So yeah, woke up this morning, like I said, feeling better from the cold. Started to get myself ready to go to work, and my bag was like, no, you're gonna pay the price for being laid up all weekend. Thank you, back. You're so kind. Alright, we're gonna put a little moisturizer on our face. And we are going to put some moisturizer on our eyes. My face. Put my little stuff right here. I have so many things in front of me. It's hideous. Hideous. I tell you, hideous. Okay. So I used this yesterday. This was Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. It seemed to work pretty good, and I'm pretty dang dry right now. We're gonna put some of that on, and let our face get all nice and soft while we're doing our eyes. So the foundation I'm going to use today is my Marc Jacobs Remarcable. I think this is my Remarcable from, yes, Remarcable Foundation. And I have the coconut primer that goes with that. So we'll use those two today, and then we're going to use our Rust Stat from Milk Cosmetics. Because I'm just making a mess. Seriously. Alright. So we are going to do something with this. I'm going to try and be cute, and I'm going to tear something up. So I'm going to put a little eye cream on. This is the IT eye cream. IT Confidence in an eye cream. It's just a little sample I have. So put some of that on our eyes. It's probably more than I need, but that's okay because they are so dry. And we're gonna put some primer on our eyes. I'm gonna be 4 minutes into the video, and I haven't even done anything. It's hideous. Hideous. I'm trying to be organized. I really am, but it's not working out so hot for me. Poor Liz. Poor Liz. For those of you who watch me all the time and provide or comment on my videos and stuff, you'll often see Liz commenting. She's a good friend, a good gal, and she needs prayers for her family right now. It was her messaging me. Okay. This is my pink chili pot we're trying to use up. Probably could have pushed myself and gone to work today, but dang, I'd have been hurting bad. I'm hurting bad right now. All right. All right, brush cleaner. Yep. Pulling that back out in a minute. Okay. So now we're gonna put on the Marc Jacobs Invisible Undercover. I'm pretty sure this is coconut. Maybe not. Maybe not. No, maybe not. I can't remember. It's been so long since I've used this stuff. Okay. Wow. And then we're going to go in with our Remarcable Foundation. I'm in beige medium. This stuff goes a long, long way. So this is how the thing works. It's just like a little dopper. Oh yeah, you just dop that stuff all over your face. You don't even need more than 2 dots. I'm here to tell you, because it is full coverage, big time. So you see, I put very little on my face, and we're gonna go in with my MAC 170 foundation brush. And we're just gonna spread that around, focusing on the center of our face. First, it dries pretty quickly. As you can see, like full coverage. I don't remember how this dries down, so we'll go ahead and do our brows real quick. I don't think so. All right, we're gonna put some powder over top of that real quick. The foundation is not all the way drying down. I may put a little bit of powder on it. I don't want to put anything on it that lightens it up though. No lightening up, please. Okay, I'm gonna use this Pretty Vulgar powder. We got it in one of our sets. I think it was last month's BoxyCharm. Alright, just a little bit, that's plenty. Alright, let's quickly put some other stuff on my face because my battery is low. Hey everybody, welcome back. So I'm here to do a couple things. I gotta film my BoxyCharm, but I wanted to do a quick, sorry about that, a quick check-in. So I will zoom you in. You can see the foundation on my nose is like breaking. I don't know if the foundation is breaking down or just my pores are so bad right now that you can see it doesn't look good. It's not horrible. It's about, I don't know what time is it. So the foundation's about 7 hours. It's been on my face. Yeah. For what foundation normally does, and mind you, I did take a nap in between because I've been sick. But what my foundation normally does, this is actually pretty good. Because the foundation breaks down on my face very quickly lately. So I think I have to go back to using my Tatcha primer. And I'll do a couple videos this week, like my get ready with me for work stuff, and see if that helps any. But I'll be back hopefully tonight to check in. If not, I'll write a little update on how it worked out. Alright. So I will be back shortly. Maybe. Alright guys, love you so much. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. Today we did a look using the, what did we use? I've just lost it. The hell did I use? Oh well. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. If you want to see how I got this look today, please keep watching. Alright, so the Marc Jacobs foundation is not working for me at all. It is about 9 hours in, and it's just breaking down all over my face. It's just blotchy breaking down. So I'm not sure what's going on. It's the first time it's ever done that to me, but we'll try again next time. If I had to tell you now, I'd be like, it's not worth the price. There's so many drugstore foundations that could do so much better. So if I do try it again before I pass it off to somebody, I will let you know how I like it. I'm just not sure what's making it break down. Ooh, I gotta get it off my skin. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. I love you so much. Thank you so much for bearing with me on these foundation reviews. It's helping me get through my collection and see what I really like and what I would repurchase. I'll see you next time. Mwah.